frog. It's a frog. Yeah. You're not afraid.
Let's jump.
Let's stomp. 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 Stomping in the jungle. Stomping in the jungle. We're not afraid. We're not afraid. Stomping in the jungle. Two fish. Two fish. One, two. One, two. One, two. Two fish. All right. Ooh, I see some pigs. How many pigs? How many? One, two, three. Three pigs. One, two, three. Oh. Three pigs. Yeah. One, two, three. How about this? How many sheep? How many sheep? One, two, three, four. Let's count. How many? One, two. Where is the number two, little kid? Here, right? Two. So can you put two? Can you get two buttons on number two? One, two. On number two. One. Put it right there. Yeah. Put it on top. One, two. Very good, little kid. Very good. One, two. Excellent. Good job, buddy.